So first of all, there's an attached document on the KV that I linked to the incident. So, okay, perfect. If you can copy to the inet pub and
Okay.
then www root. There, it will be great.
Just right here. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Right.
perfect. And then if you can rename it, because I believe there's an S missing on transfer. And if you enter to it, let's fix the SVC file with the S again, please. Okay, perfect. So then, now that we already copied to the IIS folder, we can open IIS, please. And you are going to see it on the default website as just folder. So if you right click, and let's make it an application, please. Let's convert. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so here, well, we can try it like that. Well, in this case, we always try to advise to all our customers to use the admin account, because it will be much better, or at least the account that we are going to connect on the
All right.
CSI. So I don't know if you have like an administrator account, and we can run this as the admin account.
I probably do. Okay. So connect as you're saying.
Yep.
We'll do that. Let me go over here, find my creds. User.
Yeah, let's hit set. Perfect.
Should I test?
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, wonderful. And if you do from the, you are using HTTPS, right?
Yeah, we got a certificate on this thing, and yes.
Okay, perfect. So in that case, I believe we can try and browse from the right pane, browse 443. And it will open an Internet Explorer or a browser. Okay. Okay, we need to change to HTTPS. So if we can you select from the icons the SSL settings, please? Like almost the last one, yeah. And let's hit require SSL. And from the pane on your right, let's apply it. Okay, let's try it again. I think there is a Chrome web page blinking. Okay, let's hit advance, please. Proceed. Okay, if you click on the SVC file.
Which one? The
MGFileTransfer.
service? Okay.
Okay. We need to use HTTPS. I don't know what is. Oh, okay, yeah. We need to enable the transport setting under the web config file. If you do a right click on over MGFileTransfer service, please. Let's hit explore. And let's open the web config file on a notepad. Yeah, that will be good, the notepad++. Okay, so here, let me search for that.
What are we looking for?
We need to add a line for HTTPS.
Okay.
Okay, I found it. Sorry about that. Well, you have to add a line. You see on line 44.
Oops, right here.
Yeah, let's hit on enter, please. And you need to add the next line. I think it will be much better if I copy to the WebEx chat.
Sure thing.
Let me see if that's right. Yeah, well, you can delete the security/security, and let's enter a slash at the end of transport.
Just get rid of this.
Okay.
Transport in here or after here, or
Yeah, there. That's fine. Perfect. Okay, and let's save it. And let's try it again.
all right. Let's do this one more time. Let's go here. Close it out. Okay, it's good.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Perfect. So now it's working. So now we have to add a virtual directory, and that's the directory that will connect. You will use to connect Cloud Suite, and
Okay.
that's the directory that will.
Our repository, our data repository.
Yeah, exactly. You can add it anywhere on the computer. It doesn't matter if you add it on C-root or any other folder.
So here's what I'm going to do. Here, I'm going to create a. All right. Created.
Okay, perfect. And then if you do a right click again over the MGFileTransfer, let's hit add virtual directory, please. Okay, so here it will be the alias. And the physical path. Okay, and if you can connect, do the connect as same as we do for the service. Okay, perfect. And if you select browse again for the folder, want to make sure it's opening right. Okay, perfect. So now I believe we are to test this
Okay.
Cloud
So
Suite.
we're to go back to.
Or maybe we can try using the external IOs on your machine. If you can copy,
On the Azure machine or my own?
if you, Yeah, if you select the MGFileTransfer service again and you select browse, please again, you can copy this link and you can paste it on your machine and try to.
Okay.
Well, we need to change localhost to the external IP address.
Okay, but it
And
works here, so that's good. So
yeah, well, that's the server, right?
well, yeah, but trust me, doing this stuff, like I never take anything. Everything seems to fail on me. So let me find the external address here, which is going to be in my. Uh, actually, for me, this is here.
Yeah, exactly. And if you can copy that on a, if you can open this on a browser, it will be much better.
Okay. Let me go.
Okay, perfect. And if you enter to the service, okay, wonderful. If you can copy this URL,
Okay.
yeah, that's the one that we are going to use on CSI.
Okay. Find my CSI here.
And I believe we should open then CSI. Okay. Well, first we have to set up the file server connection.
Let's do a brand new one here.
Okay. And on server type, let's use Mongoose web service, please. On domain, well, it will going to be the domain name, the domain of the server.
Okay.
We can check that on the server and.
Yeah. Let's do this and go back to the server.
Okay. You can do a right click on the Windows logo, the Windows icon, and go to System. Okay, so it's workgroup, so you don't have domain, so I believe it will be the computer name.
Oh, the computer name itself?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
There. That computer name is right here. AITDMZ, right?
Okay. And for user ID and password, we'll be going to use the one that we used before on the service. And if you can add the domain also, please. Okay. On the remote, it will be the same as the domain. Or, well, I believe it will be much better if you can use The name of the server, Sure DMC. Yeah.
Oh, this guy up here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, wonderful. And on security mode, if you can select transport, and let's save it first. And then we have to, okay.
Just we're back up here because I have to the whole
Yeah.
thing. Let's work, but we'll see. All right.
Okay, let's save it.
I probably want to do that,
Oh,
right?
yeah, the password.
Just find that again. Something. Yay.
Okay, now if we can go back to IIS, please. And let's explore the MG file transfer service. Okay, let's open again the web config file. We forgot to. Okay, so okay. Okay, at the beginning of UC, there is the username and the password. So on the test value, we should use the same one as we use with the domain included, please.
So
You can copy from the file server window if you want.
file server window. What in my here?
Yeah, the user ID.
Okay, so
Okay, wonderful. Then let's
back to my password here.
type the password. Okay, the authentication key is another key for security matters. If you can select whatever you want from the for the value.
Oh, really?
Okay, and on the root path, the file server folder will be the folder that we used, the CSI10 files. What's that name? As you can see, just
Okay.
try change the name file server
Just to
to CSI10. Yeah, and files. Okay. Wonderful. And let's save it, please.
Okay.
Okay. And just need to add the authentication key on CSI. So if you can go back to CSI, please. And let's hit additional properties, please.
Additional general or
It's the bottom at top. You're right.
yeah, Mongoose Web Service or
No, it's at the top, Tim. There's
oh, okay.
5 buttons. Yeah, there you go.
Sorry.
Okay, let's add a new line, please. And let's type on the key WS underscore
WS
authentication underscore key. And in the value, it's I believe it's Fido or yeah, that one. Okay, let's hit OK and let's save the reference. And let's try to validate it. Okay.
just in case. Now, if I was to do this, in a URL, just a regular URL, that okay.
Yeah, I'm trying. To connect to your Azure DMC server, and it doesn't allow me to connect. So probably that's the thing. Yeah, I can reach the site. So in that case, I believe you will have to contact your IT team.
So it can't reach this site. So are you saying you can't get this thing to show up?
Yeah, exactly. It says this site can't be reached.
Okay, but if I just do it here and I'm not on the server, I can get to it, right?
Yeah, maybe you have some IP range on the white list.
Okay, well let's, if you don't mind, because
Mhm.
I am the IT team, and you can see how useful.
Oh, okay.
Let me go to my Azure console
Okay.
here and go to my AIT networking, and then on HTTPS. See, I've got my port, I've got it kind of set up here with.
Mm,
And
okay, that's interesting. So it should let me, right?
yeah, exactly. Let me just, I've got people in Oregon, Alabama, New York. I'm having them all try this.
Okay. Can you try instead of using the server name to use the nick public IP?
Thing. Well, that would make sense, wouldn't it? Of course. And is there anything in the config that we did that where we'd want to change that?
No, I believe we just need to change the URL instead of using
Where am I?
Azure DMC
Yeah,
Cloud Suite.
trying
Let's.
to find my session here again.
Okay, wonderful.
File server. Nope. Move you out of the way. Come on, hold on. There we are.
Okay, let's save it.
Okay, well that's fast.
Yeah. So there could be an issue on the certificate. I have seen this issue, and most of the time it's a problem with the certificate.
Okay.
Probably because it's using the server name instead of IP address, so that could be the problem. But yeah, I can reach your service using the IP address instead of the server name.
You can get to it, you're saying.
Yeah, I can reach with the IP address, but not with the Azure DMC's name.
All right, that makes sense. I think I probably just put that on my local. Oh, wait. Hold on. There's something that we had out here.
Okay.
I think it was. Wait on that. Hold on 1 second. Shoot, I got my guy over here. Mark. And be domains. I think it's a domain that I had, which is going to be this guy. Where's my DNS thing here? DNS. Advanced. There we go. CNAME alias. Fido. I think the certificate is linked to this.
Okay.
So let me try something else here. Move that back. And okay, that's better. Let's save that.
Okay. That's wonderful.
Thank you for the little tip on that. I never would have done that. Okay.
And let's activate it, please.
Activate it.
Okay. And then you have to create a logical folder and link it to this server.
All right. So what am I doing with? It was one of those things that I wanted to test. Archive, import, export. We'll do that. Server name is going to be anti-test.
And since we don't have any subfolder on the CS item files, you can do the root folder with just one backslash, and on the folder access depth, let's change it to 1. Okay. And then you can try to upload a file from the file maintenance form.
File maintenance form?
Mhm.
Oh, look at that.
Let's select the BOM. Import, export. Okay.
Okay. And
You can click upload and select the file.
let's just see. I suppose it doesn't matter much at all, does it? Let me just find a picture. Upload that. No way.
And we can
Okay.
check under your server and it should be there. There you go.
Oh man, I cannot tell you how grateful I am.
I'm really glad to help you, Tim.
Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, cool. We're moving here.
Okay, so do you want to, if I, well, maybe I can
Close
leave
it out.
the incident open.
I'll close it.
Okay,
I'll get in.
perfect.
Perfect. Alejandro, thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome, Tim.
And if you could shoot me the
Yeah, I will.
recording, that'd be great.
Sure, I will send you the link to download it directly to your email.
Awesome. Thanks again.
Thank you for your time and have a great weekend.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.